Some spots in West Michigan have picked up a ton of rain in the last couple of hours, which has led to some flooding concerns, namely across western Kent County and into Ottawa County, and then down towards Kalamazoo and Battle Creek. In between those two cities, there have been some spots maybe picking up 4 to 6 inches of rain. And Battle Creek itself, the sensor not even getting some of those higher totals, but we're at 1.8 inches so far today. That is pretty significant. Muskegon over an inch of rain, Holland over an inch of rain, and Ionia also over an inch of rain, with many spots north of 96 seeing those inch marks or more. We do have a flood warning though for eastern Kalamazoo and western Calhoun County through midnight because of the heavy rain that's fallen. There have been some pictures of some street flooding in the Kalamazoo area, certainly in Battle Creek as well. So if you don't have to drive around, it's a good idea not to. You never want to drive through any of those flooded roadways because you don't know how deep the water is or if there's even a road underneath all of that rain. There's also a flood advisory for western Kent County, including the western portion of Grand Rapids, for some heavy rain, especially out towards the Walker and Alpine areas. So just be very careful if you are driving around because the heavy rain has not quite ended yet for some of us. For others, though, it has, but from Hastings through Kalamazoo and down towards Three Rivers, this is an area of very heavy rain and lightning that is moving slowly. We'll continue to dump some rain in these areas and could possibly have some occasionally strong gusts. I'm not too concerned about severe weather at this exact moment in time, but we do still have that marginal risk for the possibility of some gusty winds here and there through about 9 o'clock. Eastern Kent County, we're still dealing with some of that heavy rain, but this is very quickly moving into Montcalm and Ionia counties. The Portland area too also getting dumped on at the moment, but back behind this it is a little bit drier. There are some areas of moderate rain from Holland down towards Berrien County, with additional rain starting to form towards Chicago, which is where all of this originated. So heavy downpours remain our biggest concern, although we can't completely rule out some of those gusty winds. I think widespread severe storms are unlikely, but until this cold front actually comes through, which probably won't be till after midnight, we are still going to be in this warm and humid air mass, giving us the potential for the heavy downpours. Models not doing a great job with some of our more northern rain, but showing the potential of some of these stronger gusts occasionally between now through 8:30 down towards 94. Most of this should be out of here by 10 o'clock, but even some showers lingering through around 3 or 4 a.m. is possible. That's that last push of the front, and through tomorrow, clouds will gradually be clearing as humidity drops and we start to feel much more comfortable. We won't really start to see those super low dew points though until late Wednesday. They linger into Thursday, and temperatures too will be coolest for both Wednesday and Thursday behind this front. But unlike the last couple of cold fronts we've had, this cool down does not last very long. We'll be back to the upper 80s and low 90s Friday and Saturday before another cold front comes in Sunday and into early next week with more cooler air.